A lot of people been sending me the video about Latanya Brown, the captain that just got arrested for extorting officers. And I can't give up no tea on Shorty. I worked with her. She was always good with me. Officer, we worked together in the 6th building. Then when she made captain, she came to Brooklyn and I was in Brooklyn. And we still was cool. I had a cousin in the 4 building. And when she was in the 4 building, me and my cousin got the same last name. So she was like, yo, you related to Red over here? And he was like, yeah. And he said she was nice to him ever since. Once she found out he was my cousin. I can't talk bad about that lady and have them come on here and use my video as evidence or come to my crib with a subpoena and make me have to testify against her. Because she was a piece of work. That's all I got to say about that. Yeah. Now, if y'all want the story, though, I will read the story to y'all because it's content. And I'm a content creator. But I ain't saying nothing bad about Shorty. I can't do it. That's not even in me. Now, if the case was already said and done and she was acquitted or convicted, however, the case is still pending. So I don't got nothing to say. What I will say is that she from uptown, from Harlem. She from the projects. Nothing against nobody from the projects, but they are different. They have a different mentality. So, all you weak COs, she gonna be on y'all. Y'all niggas is weak. Y'all food. That's why they say this job is not for the weak. Because you gonna get ate alive. Because this is the culture of correction. The strong eats the weak. This is the culture of life. When you in an environment like that, no matter what side of the gate you on, you either a predator or a prey. Y'all niggas was prey. Y'all niggas was food. And she ate y'all up. Oh well. This ain't the place for y'all. Y'all weak. Also, this is why you do your 20 and get out. She was over her time. Now you might have lost everything because you wanted to stay extra. Do your 20, bro. The contract is 20 for a reason. Do it and get out. Why are you working past the contract? Is money everything to you? Anything can happen in that place, and in a second, you'll lose everything. Also, let this be an example to y'all to show y'all that I don't be lying when I say this is the type of stuff that these captains do. When I say that only the strong survives. Because if you weak, you're going to be out here buying captains' bags and selling captains. Driving them around, being a personal chauffeur. They going to eat you up. They definitely do stuff like, if you don't give them what they want, do what they want now, they be like this, all right. Wait, watch when you ask for a day off. Or watch me stick you every day this summer. This summer, you ain't never going home. You know? Like, they do vindictive stuff like that. It's a very high schoolish, unprofessional place. And you have to be mentally and spiritually and emotionally strong. You have to be. Or you can be extorted by inmates or supervisors because you're weak. If they was letting a captain extort them, somebody who got something to lose, imagine what the inmates was doing to them in there. That's probably how she was able to extort them. She probably was like, I'm going to put you back with the inmates if you don't do what I say. And they scary. So they did it. I mean, if I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong. Where them officers at? Drop in, go in the comments. But it's really nothing that you can say to me. You're weak. You got extorted. Or perhaps y'all just was adding up. So that way y'all can do the big boom and get her like y'all did. I ain't mad at it. But I don't got nothing to say about Shorty though. But here's the story. Get my handy dandy glasses, baby, because I know I don't look 50 nowhere else, but these eyes, they 50, boo. Yeah. So, a Rikers Island captain has been arrested for forcing her subordinate officers to pay her, buy her gifts, and drive her to restaurants and a casino while on duty. LaTanya Brown, who was known as the Terror of the Tombs back when she worked at MDC, the Manhattan, sunk to criminal lows when she was transferred to Rikers Island in early 2024, according to a federal extortion and wage theft indictment unsealed in Brooklyn Thursday. Brown was assigned to the jail complex's facility operations department as a supervisor from July 2024 to November 2025. According to the indictment, she acted as a tyrant, threatening to mess with two of her subordinate shifts and vacation requests and deny overtime if she didn't get what she wanted. What she wanted, the feds allege, was money, luxury goods, and personal chauffeurs. She demanded cash, paid over Zelle, and Louis Vuitton bags, and rides to restaurants, bars, personal appointments, and a casino. And the two Department of Correction officers under her command complied, fearing what she would do if they said no, according to the indictment. Brown also raked in the overtime, making more than $231K on top of her $125K salary in 24, and more than $178K over her $130 salary last year, according to the feds. But more than 100 times, she falsely claimed she worked her full shift even though she left early, sometimes ditching work to spend time at the Empire City Casino in Yonkers. As alleged, the defendant brazenly abused her authority as a law enforcement supervisor to steal taxpayer money and terrorize her subordinates by shaking them down for money, expensive gifts, and chauffeuring her to run personal errands. Brown made headlines back in 2018 when the Daily News obtained audio recordings of her cursing out the correction officers under her command at the MDC. Two correction officers sued the city a year later. Brown created a hostile environment by screaming, cursing, and harassing them, telling one officer she should commit suicide and encouraging a prisoner to threaten the other officer. The city settlement that lawsuit in 2022. Brown, who lives in Yonkers, could face 20 years behind bars. Girl, she don't deserve that. She don't. Don't be weak, bro. You let people do whatever they want to you, and then you want to call the authorities. Nah, be like, I ain't doing that. Y'all niggas is weak, man. Anyway, she expected to arraign in Brooklyn federal court Thursday afternoon, a couple of days ago.